In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Kajabi free trial, which is a fantastic way to explore all that Kajabi has to offer before making a commitment. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Kajabi website. Once you're there, you should see a straightforward option on their homepage that says Get Started for Free. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to experiencing Kajabi's powerful platform at no cost for a limited time. Next, you're given options to either continue with Google or manually type in your email address. If you choose the Google option, it simplifies the process since you won't have to create a new password. However, if you prefer or if your email isn't associated with Google, just type in your email address in the provided field. Now, if you've decided to continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser or device. Click on the appropriate account you want to use for Kajabi. Then you'll be asked to click on Continue to proceed with setting up your trial account. It's a straightforward part of the process that just takes a few clicks. With that out of the way, Kajabi will prompt you to officially start your free trial. Look for a button that says Get Your Free Trial and give it a click. This action moves you to the next stage where you'll need to provide some personal details. These details typically include your first and last name, so make sure to type those into the respective fields accurately. Then select the email you want Kajabi to communicate with you through. This email could be the one you use to sign up or a different one you prefer. Once your personal information is in place, the next step involves inputting your card details. It's important to note that although you're signing up for a free trial, Kajabi requires this information to smoothly transition into a paid subscription should you choose to continue after your trial expires. Rest assured, no charges will occur until your trial period ends and you decide to stay with Kajabi. After filling in your card details, the final task is to click on Start Free Trial. Clicking this button officially activates your free trial, giving you access to explore Kajabi's features. Importantly, one crucial reminder is to mark your calendar or set up a reminder to cancel your trial ahead of time if you decide not to continue. This step will prevent any unexpected charges once the trial period concludes. And that's it. You're now able to dive into Kajabi and see how its tools can benefit your projects. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring Kajabi.